just my own theory, but have you ever wondered if the infinitely vast is linked to the infinitely small? Gaze into an electron microscope and peer past the smallest observable entity. Searching in that direction, is it possible that you could pass into the furthest light that the Webb Telescope is now observing? Why is it that the symbol for infinity is a figure 8 on its side? Could these two entities be connected in an infinite loop? In this artist's conception, follow the cosmic neuropathy and black hole neuroportals. Could they be pathways that lead us to an infinite wonder?